Hello viewer. Welcome to MailsDaddy. In this video, you will know how convert MBOX files to Outlook compatible PST format using MailsDaddy MBOX to PST converter tool. The application supports all MBOX-based email clients and provides 100% secure migration to Outlook. So let's start with the downloading. Go to official website of MailsDaddy and download MBOX to PST converter tool. You can directly purchase the solution or start with free demo. Now install and run the application in Windows operating system. Click on Add File button. With the tool, you can also export Apple Mail, Gmail and Mozilla Thunderbird mailboxes. Browse your MBOX file location and load into the software. After loading the mailbox, user can view the MBOX file content like emails and attachments. To migrate emails in bulk, directly press on the Export button. Choose PST file format. Select one conversion option, single PST or separate PST. Date filter and log file are both optional choices. Choose the destination to save converted MBOX file. Now press Export button to start migration. Once the confirmation window appears, click on OK button. Now enjoy your converted MBOX file and open it in Outlook without any hassle. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.